The 14th, guys, it's Saturday. When I opened my YouTube, a lot, of my YouTube friends posted that Louis Vuitton is having a price increase, specifically with their canvas handbag, guys. And I have some of my wish list, especially this handbag is already in my radar, and I really plan to get this handbag, but I'm just waiting for the right time. But since, they said that it's having a price increase, I literally sent a message to my SA, and 2 days after, guys, here it is. So in today's video, we're gonna do a Louis Vuitton unboxing, guys. Next day, August the 15th, guys, after I paid this handbag, I check and I check, there's nothing happening that price increase of Louis Vuitton, guys. So I think it's only for now, because it's not yet happened. So for now, it's a rumor, guys. So I was scammed by the rumor of Louis Vuitton that having a price increase. By the way, I'm not, this is only a joke, guys. But I'm so glad that I'm having this handbag, because I checked all the website in every country, US, Australia, or something like that. This handbag is unavailable already. By the way, guys, my name is Bien Lovelux, and if you're enjoying my videos, please do consider subscribing, and of course, leave me a thumbs up and share this video to your friend. And we're gonna do the Louis Vuitton unboxing now. So yeah, we have the ribbon, and I think my SA put the receipt here. So let's open it together. So it's quite a big handbag, guys. This is not a cute. This is not the typical handbag that I'm always getting, because I always get a small handbag. So the dust bag here, and have here my No Way BB, guys, in canvas monogram. So this is the handbag looks like, guys. So this is like a canvas monogram, and you have quite plenty of vachetta leather. So here in the piping on the top, and then you also have the pull closure, and on the side also you have another vachetta leather, and here you have made in France, which I really like. So if it's like luxury brand handbags, guys, I prefer it if it made in France. And on the other side, you have Louis Vuitton Paris here, and then underneath it's just like this. And then inside, guys, you also have a D-ring here on the sides, both left and right. And then you have here a gold hardware, but then the gold hardware, guys, is not that shiny gold hardware. This is more like a yellow gold hardware, with every studs have Louis Vuitton. So you have 12 holes, guys, where you can pull your pull closure. So the pull closure, guys, only looks like this on the other side, and then the other side is a raw edge, and then they just there's something shiny like that. And then when we open it, you have a big compartment there, no zip compartment at all, or any compartment. And then we also have here the strap, guys. So inside you just have lined with the brown canvas, and then as I can see, there's no date code anymore, so it's already the new version. And then inside, you have also a D-ring here, where you can attach any of your organization. And you also have here the care card, and the date code, guys. And that's it. It's just a big hollow inside. This is the No Way BB, guys. And the size is width is 22 cm, and the height is 25 cm, and the width is 15 cm. Also go with a strap, guys, and it's slightly thicker strap, so it's more comfortable. And this one, you have two adjustment here on the side where you can adjust. It's quite plenty of adjustment. And here in the middle, we have here Louis Vuitton Paris here in the middle. You have that one, and then it was stitched with yellow stitching, guys, and vachetta leather. So it's really generous amount of vachetta leather in this handbag, guys. Let's try to put the strap together, guys. So we can slide it in first, and then go here. You have a little strap like that. And then I think I want to do it on the shortest side, and then you do this, and then you pull this one here, and then on the other side as well, we're gonna do the same thing, and then the shortest as well. And then we put this one here, And then again, we're gonna do in the shortest because I want my handbag to be in the shortest side, guys. And this is how it looks like, and you can close like that. So this is the closure, guys. So many people do this one already, but I just want to do it again with you. So like, you know, the pull, guys, this is how I gonna tie them. So I gonna pull the string, like, you know, this one is the longest, a little long, and then you're gonna do like this, guys, on the top, and then you do it like 2 times this way, or maybe 3 times. It's just up to you. You just do like 3 times first so that it looks nicer, and then we're gonna go inside here, and then we're gonna pull this one. So I do this one to my Nano No Way as well, guys. And I really love that idea, doing this kind of thing. Actually, it's quite short, so yeah, it's like that, guys. And then we just like adjust now, and it makes you easier to close and open the bag, and it also looks nicer as well. So what makes me buy this handbag? Okay, number one, like, you know, with the rumor that like, no, Louis Vuitton is having the price increase. That's the number one reason. And another thing is like, you know, they will discontinue most of their canvas handbag. And like, you know, another reason is I love canvas of Louis Vuitton. And another reason is like canvas are like, you know, more affordable, more like a good value for money. And this handbag actually, among the canvas monogram, I believe that this No Way BB is the best value for money, guys. Why? I have here my Nano Neo No Way, and this one is only $40 cheaper than this No Way handbag, guys. Which, like, you know, look at them. You know, if you want like a comparison video between the two, and I also have the Nano Neo No Way in Epi Leather, I will make you a video, guys. Please comment down below. And like, you know, just like, look at this, guys. Like, you know, just like, you know, this one can literally get inside, guys. And like, you know, this, like, you know, like, this is like, you know, only 1/4 of the handbag, and the price is only $40 difference. So the price of this one now is like, you know, $1,300. But when I bought this one like 6 months ago, it's only like $1,100 dollars. So it's already increased a lot of price, but still, this is still very expensive compared to this Neo No Way BB, guys. This one is really good value for money because this is a real handbag. It's a bigger handbag as well, and for my liking, this is just like, you know, because I'm really looking for a medium size handbag, and like, you know, I always like canvas, guys, because it's lighter. So if your issue is like, you know, this handbag have a lot of vachetta leather and it's quite like sensitive, don't you worry, because I'm planning to spray them with the Carbon Pro to protect the vachetta leather. So I think I'm gonna make a separate video how I'm gonna spray this Carbon Pro, guys, and I think it's worth it to show you how to spray. On reference, guys, let's find out what can fit in this Neo BB. So I have here my toiletry pouch 19, so let's slide it in here. So it's perfect, guys. You can make it stand up like that, and then of course we have like my PM toiletry pouch as well. Slide it in, and we have my mini pochette. We can put it also here, and I can have like, you know, for example, like my Zoe wallet, and here my pouch. And look at that, guys, it's like plenty of space, so maybe I can put my cell phone as well, and my earphone as well. So like, look at this, guys, it's like, it still have a lot, plenty of space inside. You can still put a lot of things in here. So by the way, it's like, you know, it can accommodate all your necessities and more. So this is really what I like about this handbag. So even it's full or half empty, it still like looks great, and I like this kind of handbag, which is like a bucket handbag, guys. Handbag looks like to me, guys, I'm 154 cm height, and like, you know, normal belt, and this is the shortest of the version of the handbag. So crossbody, guys, it sits properly where my navel is. That is where the handbag end up. It's, for me, it's so perfect. I really love this one, and since the strap is quite thick, it's very comfortable. And this is the handbag looks like, guys. for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, for the love and support. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And of course, share this video to your friend. Until the next video, guys. See you. Bye!